Today's highly engineered vehicles are more electronically advanced. Long service life components and seal systems are becoming the industry focus. Take electronic transmissions and power steering units. Compared to transmissions of just 20 years ago, these are miniature electronic and mechanical masterpieces with service lives that actually exceed the manufacturer's warranty. But the downside, electronic transmissions and power steering units are now far less tolerant to oil contamination. Minute wear particles in lubricating fluids pit and spoil highly engineered surfaces. Foul control solenoids, triggering a chain reaction of wear and causing expensive and untimely failure. But there is a simple solution. Magne Inline from Boss Components, the world's only patented magnetic inline filter. Magne Inline guards against unnecessary wear and breakdown, protecting your vital transmission fluids from contamination. Easy to install Magne Inline will remove virtually all damaging wear metal particles and actually clean the oil cleaner than when it was first put into the system. Contamination exists in transmissions and power steering systems right from the start. From microscopic particles in new oil and from minute machining debris left over from manufacture. High-precision parts mesh to micrometer tolerances. Oil cools and lubricates these load-carrying surfaces. Contaminated oil carries particles that fit between these rapidly rotating parts. Typically, it's the particles, 3 to 20 microns, combining together that cause the damage. They grind away at hard and soft metal components, multiplying until there are thousands of tiny particles, all combining together to cut, tear, and chip away at the high-tolerance machine parts. Typical damage includes reduced fluid life through oxidization, jamming of solenoids and governors, erosion and abrasion of soft end play bearings causing gear ratios to slip and fail. The pan filter fitted by the manufacturer is rated between 60 and 100 microns. But what about the 3-micron size particles that are now growing exponentially as they flow through the system? An easy-to-install Magne Inline will remove even sub-micron particles and break down this chain reaction of wear. Computer control technology has its benefits, but it comes at a cost. Consider this. Most of today's modern vehicles are equipped with a 4-speed automatic transmission. This transmission has an increasing number of electronic solenoids which are controlled by the vehicle's onboard computers. Solenoids attract wear metal particles easily because they become magnetically charged. If a solenoid clogs or jams, someone's up for vehicle downtime and an expensive repair bill. Manufacturers have been putting magnets in automatic transmission pans because they understand the need to remove metal debris. This is limited to the large particles that deposit in the pan and doesn't remove the smaller particles circulating in the fluid. Installing the Magne Inline filter to the return cooler or return reservoir line forces the fluid to pass within a critical effective range of the magnet within the filter, capturing virtually all the metal particles. The Magne Inline uses a patented dual filtration process. Encased within a tough impact and heat-resistant pressure vessel is the powerful magnet. Ferrous metal particles are extracted from the oil as it is forced over the effective range of the magnet. Clutch fibers, alloys, and other dirt are filtered out as it travels through a fine secondary filtration element. This dual filtration system is designed to remove all damaging particles efficiently. The Magne Inline does not restrict oil flow. When this used filter was flow tested, there was no appreciable difference between the used filter and a new one. This is because 85% of the contamination is held on the magnet. Also incorporated into the Magne Inline is a specially designed safety bypass valve specifically designed to maintain full oil flow under all operating conditions. Further university tests have verified the effectiveness of the magnetic filtration, concluding that the filter was 99.97% effective in removing all magnetic contamination from the lubricating oil. Field trials conducted on police pursuit vehicles concluded that it took only 4,500 miles to clean up the oil and break the chain reaction of wear in the automatic transmission. Then, mile after mile, the filter continued to clean the fluid, dramatically reducing the overall particle count as the operating distance increased. In the same police cars were installed magnifying filters to the power steering systems. This chart shows how effective the filter was in removing the damaging wear metal particles and cleaning up the power steering fluid to a safe operating level. Everyone knows that clean oil is vital in automatic transmissions and power steering systems. When you install a magnifying inline filter, it provides a better quality service and significantly increases the life performance and reliability of your electronic transmission and power steering systems. This means reduced warranty claims, improved vehicle reliability, improved safety in the power steering system, improved performance and durability, and lower maintenance and operating costs. The remarkable, easy-to-install magnifying magnetic inline filter is the only choice. It's no ordinary filter because it's safe, it's proven, it's cost-effective. It's a patented magnifying inline by Boss Components.